Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to listen to white noise on iPhone. Listening to white noise can help you fall asleep faster, improve deep sleep at night, and block out noisy background sounds. And here are the clear steps to listen to white noise on an iPhone using the built-in feature. First, to unlock your iPhone, then open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual, choose Background Sounds, then toggle background sounds to on. Tap on sound, choose white noise or other options like ocean or rain. Tap back to return to background sounds. Then adjust the volume slider to your preferred level. Turn on use when media is playing. You can also turn on stop sounds when locked. Lock your iPhone or open another app. The sound will keep playing. Then plug in earphones or headphones for better sleep or focus. Helpful tips. Background sounds work offline. You can add background sounds to Control Center for quick access. It is great for sleep, meditation, and focus. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.